Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth System. It is a hair regrowth kit that promises a thicker, fuller hair in weeks. But is it legit or just a hype? Let's break it down. Alpha Infuse markets itself as a microneedling plus serum hair regrowth system for home use, combining tiny needles with infused serums claimed to stimulate follicles and improve the scalp health. Some buyers online report improved scalp feel, reduced the shedding, and early signs of baby hairs after several weeks of consistent use. There's also 120-day money payback guaranteed to official site, and some users praise responsive customer service. However, there are red flags and reality check. There's no published clinical studies or independent evidence that support the regrow hair fast claims. And also, there are multiple watchdog reviews point out that the company's domain is very new, lacks transparent brand info, and may be private label dropship product with generic ingredients. And also, some third-party reviewers and user reports note mixed result, difficulty getting refunds, and inflated testimonials. So is the Alpha Infuse worth it? It's not a total scam, with many customers do receive the product, but it's not outright theft. However, its scientific backing is weak, results are inconsistent, and some marketing claim appears exaggerated. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.